Hello friends, how are you? I think you all doing well. Right now we are going to learn how to open the Microsoft Excel in laptop. So without wasting any more time, let's come to the point. Here you are looking over here in the bottom side, the start button. Here you have to click and you will see like this kind of dialog box will be open. So you may search over here the your software, but right now we are going to tell you the how to open all these inventory. So here you are looking the printer software, Microsoft 365 and Outlook, Microsoft Store, photo setting, and there are many software. And here you are looking the recommended and more software in which you have already working. So you may click on this and it will be open directly. But here you have to click on all. um and you will see this kind of inventory will be shown on your screen. You have to come down, uh, then you will see the Microsoft Office over here. You have to click on the this folder. As soon as you click on this folder, you will see there are all software of Microsoft Office which is over here. So there are Microsoft Office Access 2007. You have to click on this, but you may see, look over here that Microsoft Office Excel 2007, Microsoft Office Grow 2007, Microsoft Office InfoPath, and there are many software. So right now we are going to click on the Microsoft Office Access 2007. As soon as you click on this software, you will get this kind of interface, and you may work over here. So I think you have got that how to open the Microsoft Excel in your PC. So let's see in next video along with new topic. Till then, bye bye.